Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted. I'm supposed to be uploading a video every Wednesday or Thursday, but today's video is going to be about the Boxycharm unboxing right here. This is December's box, Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, and this is $30, and it's supposed to improve the brightness of your skin while the activated charcoal and colon clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So that's what it's supposed to do. And actually my time is up right now, so I'm gonna go wash this off and I'm gonna be right back. So I went ahead and took this little guy off. Now again, this is a full-size product and it is $30, and it did a pretty good job. I already did my base application and my foundation, my concealer. The reason why I'm doing things different today is because of the products that I got. So I got this Pretty Vulgar face translucent powder, and this is, let me see here, this is $32, and it's supposed to be weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder that locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. And it comes with a pink soft powder puff. And I already went ahead and opened it and felt it already, but it was pretty soft. And the packaging is really cute. The packaging is like old vintage, old-fashioned, you know, and I think it's really cute. And it's called Matte About It in 147. The next thing that I got was this. Actually, I'll save that for the end. I got this Tarte lip paint in Flaming Hot. It's cute. It has like little crystals. You wouldn't be able to really tell until I put it on, because it has like amethyst crystals, and just the color of it is stunning and it's gorgeous. But the only thing that I don't like about this is that when I swatch it, it looks patchy, so I have to go over it a few times. Okay, and this is $20. So it smells good too. It smells like coffee. And then the second to the last product that I got was from Bodyography Barely There lip pencil. It's in this shade right here. Okay, and this is $12. So just a basic lip pencil. Let me see here. That's the color of it. The very last thing that I got is a mini hair straightener, and this is $75. So it states that this guy reaches about a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 Celsius. So yeah, I mean, it just does what a basic cool hair straightener does. I got mine in purple. This looks so cute for my baby hairs right here, because these are like out of control here. They're just like horrible, but I cannot wait to try this. I got it in a cute color. It's like a lavender. It's not even purple. It's a lavender. It's so beautiful. And it comes with a little case right here where you can put your straightener, so like that, and then you just like fold it. Here, I think I put it the wrong way. There you go. So yeah, you just fold it, put it in here, and boom, it's like ready to go. So I like that. It's quick and simple. Okay, so the total price for this month's Boxycharm is $169, almost $200 worth of makeup just for $21 a month. So you're getting good deals here. You're getting different products, your different like, hair care. I would honestly say that Boxycharm is definitely worth your $21 a month. So if you want to go ahead and get Boxycharm, and I will leave a link down below for the Boxycharm site, so you can go ahead and do your subscription. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on the baking powder, since this is what I received in my Boxycharm. And I'm going to be like test wearing this powder throughout the entire day. I'm going with my best friend to Ulta. She's picking out her Christmas gifts, and we're just gonna go glam as fuck. Okay. I am back. My daughter is here in the room with me, playing with her toys. She didn't want to be alone, so I thought that was more than fine. Change of eyeshadow plans. I'm just gonna pretty much do like a natural look today, and going in with the cheeky palette, the cheeky palette from ColourPop and the I Love Sada Heat collection. Okay, so for the last two products, they are lip products. That's why I went ahead and finished my face, did everything. I haven't set it yet. I am going to set it right now with my MAC Fix Plus and my Touch of Dewy Skin Mist. So let's just see how these products are going to work out for us. Okay. Now normally I would go in with like a nude lipstick and then top it off with this, but I want to see how this is first, and then if I don't like it, I'm gonna put a nude lip and then go over with this. Yeah, it's really pretty. So I like these two together. I mean, it's just, it looks like I have on gloss. I mean, because this is the exact same color as my lip shade, as my natural lip shade. So I like this. I like all these products. The powder, I'm not going to jump the gun. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I like it or I hate it because I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to let y'all know. To come back at the end of the night and tell y'all my result. Like, tell y'all what I think of the product. I'm going to set my brows real quick and that'll be it. Hello everybody. So today is the second day that I have been wearing this Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. It looks like this. It said it was in Matte About It. I'm in love pretty much. Like, look how flawless my face is. I used it today, same routine, same everything. I didn't mix anything up. I did try out this beautiful straightener. It comes like this. This is the straightener that I got in my Boxycharm. It's mini. It was $75. It's a mini straightener. It's $75 and pretty much it straightened my hair pretty well. So overall, of course, it straightened my hair very well, very gorgeous. I love it. You know, this is really like my go-to straightener. It's mini, it fits in your purse. You can pretty much go anywhere with this. It's for the gym, you know, for like a quick wedding touch-up or something. I don't know, party touch-up, club, I don't know, whatever you guys do, you know. Overall, this month's box was by far almost the best, like especially getting the straightener. I'm obsessed with these two products. These two out of that charcoal mask, that's what it was. I was like, I know we got one more thing. Okay, so anyways, the charcoal mask is in my bathroom, it's in my restroom. So out of these 5 products, right, I would say by far that these 3 are my best ones because I've been trying to find a lip color, like a lip liner that is exactly the color of my lips, and I couldn't. Like, it's either too dark or just too light, you know, and this is like perfect. This is, yeah, by far these are like my 3 new favorite products to use on the go. So with that being said, I would just like to thank you so much for watching this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I couldn't do last month's because someone actually stole my Boxycharm out of my mailbox. Let me know if you want me to do a video on my giveaway from Boxycharm and Ace Beauty Cosmetics. These lashes are from Ace Beauty and the palette that I used on my eyes are from Ace Beauty. The glitter is from NYX Cosmetics. I think I'm talking too much. I'll just post everything down below. Well, for next week's video. If you want me to do a look on this, then I can. Just comment down below and let me know if you want me to do a video on this look right here or an unboxing review on my giveaway that I had won. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Thank you guys. Bye.